Hi, I'm Jonathan Grebenyuk, Solutions Architect for HP Industrial Print, here at the Graphics Experience Center in Alpharetta, Georgia. Brands today face a new reality: unpredictable demand and shorter lead times, while converters struggle with rising costs of labor, supply chain complexity, and the need to manage inventory more efficiently. The HP Indigo V12 changes the game, bringing true, on-demand, non-stop production for mid to long runs. Unmatched print quality, 12 color capability at 120 meters per minute makes the V12 the world's fastest narrow web digital press. In the next 4 minutes, I'm going to show you how the HP Indigo V12 makes non-stop production a reality. From order creation to shipping, you'll see an end-to-end workflow designed to speed up production, accelerate digital transformation, and drive profitable growth. Imagine jobs flowing seamlessly in your workflow straight into the V12 for single operator printing. Non-stop, on-demand, at 120 meters per minute, leaving your nearline finishing to operate independently and get work out the door. This is how you achieve just-in-time, high-volume production with minimal downtime, lower inventory, and an agile supply chain. Non-stop, on-demand digital production for mid to long runs. Streamline your production, boosting both efficiency and profitability by choosing the right press for the right job. Use Flexo for ultra-long runs, and let the HP Indigo V12 take care of your mid to long runs with speed and precision, seamlessly handling personalization and variable data without slowing down. We understand the need for agility across workflows, automated or manual. That's why the HP Indigo Digital Front End is built for simplicity and reliability. It's ready to receive and rip any job from your pre-press team, keeping production smooth and efficient. Unlock non-stop production with unique features and processes that maximize efficiency on the V12 and carry through to finishing. Multi-proofing turns complexity into simplicity. Batch up to 100 jobs on one substrate, approve them in a single step, and keep the V12 running non-stop. So once jobs are approved, we hit play and the HP Indigo V12 takes off. ABG's fully integrated non-stop unwinder keeps the press moving. No pauses, no interruptions. Our priming unit applies a water-based primer so you can print on virtually any off-the-shelf pressure-sensitive label stock. Using HP Indigo Electro Inks, we have the industry's widest color portfolio, reaching 97% of the Pantone color gamut. Leveraging 12 ink stations with automated ink revolvers across 6 LEPX print engines for a total of 126 possible combinations, we deliver unmatched speed, quality, and creative possibilities while eliminating most ink changeovers. Once ink hits the substrate, the spectrophotometer performs continuous color calibration, while the Inline scanner handles continuous scaling calibration, all in real time. A remarkable orchestra that keeps pumping work out without color variations and ensuring the work is scaled properly for the finished touch. Why have a separate inspection step? Inline inspection eliminates extra steps, reduces wastes, and keeps production non-stop. With a unit of your choosing installed on the V12, you can guarantee that every label is inspected. And roll mapping ensures that your finishing devices know exactly where to take action. This BASD unit has already read the Infotech barcode that triggered it to pull the job details and begin inspection. At the end of this job, it will transfer the log to the next step. The integrated ABG non-stop rewinder keeps production flowing, automatically cutting rolls based on your UI selections, giving operators full control for uninterrupted printing and maximum flexibility. With a minimum of only 1,000 feet per cut, you can print the occasional short run too. Traditional converting lines combine printing and production in one step, with inspection only at the end before shipping. In digital production, your biggest asset is your speed and reduced setup time. By letting the V12 focus on high-speed digital printing, you boost efficiency with offline finishing. The ABG Fast Track fits perfectly here. When integrated with the Fly Vision inspection and a turret rewinder, it removes errors and delivers finished rolls at speeds of up to 180 meters per minute. all in a single streamlined step. From order to finished product, the V12 is already transforming label operations in the field, driving profitable growth for converters worldwide. Are you ready to secure your competitive edge? Discover why leading converters call the HP Indigo V12 the press that's redefining digital.